An investigation has been launched into the death of a man who is suspected to have fallen from the third floor of the medical ward at Kingston Public Hospital this morning. According to reports, the patient had an argument with a nurse who tried to tie him to a bed, but he resisted. It's further understood that he climbed over the railing of the building and fell. Chief Executive Officer at Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee Hospitals, Dr. Natalie Wiley, says the incident occurred about 5:25.
So I can confirm that we did have a critical incident this morning where a patient appears to have fallen from a ward at the Kingston Public Hospital. So in matters of this nature, obviously there are concerns regarding, first of all, the care of the patient. We also have a duty of care to the relatives. So we're in the early stage of investigating the matter.